All right, guys. So as I said earlier, we need to have one more functionality of an admin to update the user, a user information. So currently, I'm using put request on the route, and then I have this URL, and then I have this status code. So in Fast API, you can define your status code that should be returned when an action took place. So since this is an update, I define my status code using this. That should be 202 accepted, and then you should return the user that has been updated to the back as a response. So as I said, I have the current user and then the security scope and then the rest pass into the function just to check whether the user is indeed logged in. Then I call my updates function on my users.py file in my repository. So I'm calling this update. Then I pass in the request data that I receive. So actually, the request data you should be expecting is the user ID and then just the same thing when you are creating a user, as you can see from here. All right, so guys, next on the list, we are now coming to the registration. I think we are now coming to the user employee part of the application. So we'll create a URL for register. We already have login. We'll create a URL for sign in for work, and then sign out after work, and then view an attendance of a particular user. All right, so let's continue.